So we're proud to be introducing Fairline British yachts to the American market because they're incredibly well built, luxurious, refined, at a really, for now at least, very mild premium over a more mainstream product.
I'm here on the absolutely massive swim platform of the Fairline Squadron 68. Enjoy the beach club effect back here. As we're here in the cockpit of the 68 Squadron, just whispers luxury. Look at the LED accents. You can imagine the vibe at night is just incredible. And all the materials, all the finishes, ultra premium. And we have lots of space for entertaining, beverage service, ice machines. Fairlines in America have lots of ice machines. We know Americans love ice. And look at all the entertaining capability you have. I'll tell you, for a 68-foot boat, I mean, this is a shocking flybridge for a 68-foot yacht. We have completely customizable furniture. This is the main salon of the Fairline Squadron 68. The wood, the finishing, the materials, the attention to detail, and so much amenities and space per foot on the Squadron 68, it's kind of shocking.